How does net income apply to lost wages claims? Imagine missing out on your paycheck because of an injury. You might wonder how your actual earnings come into play when seeking compensation. In personal injury cases, understanding how net income fits into lost wages claims is key. When you're hurt and can't work, you want to be fairly compensated for the money you would have earned. But the question is, do courts look at your total paycheck before taxes or what you actually take home? Usually, they focus on the gross income, which is your total earnings before taxes and deductions. This is because the goal is to restore your full economic position, including all benefits and potential earnings. For hourly workers, the calculation is straightforward. Multiply your hourly wage by the hours or days missed. For salaried employees, your annual salary is divided by the number of work hours or days in the year to find your daily or hourly rate, then multiplied by the time you were unable to work. Self-employed or independent contractors often use net income, which is your gross income minus business expenses, because they pay their own taxes and expenses. To verify this, they usually provide tax returns, profit and loss statements, invoices, or 1099 forms. Some states or courts also allow recovery of extra earnings like bonuses, overtime, or benefits such as paid sick leave or vacation time, which are part of gross pay. The reason courts prefer gross income is to make sure you get full compensation for all earnings lost, including benefits and possible raises. Since taxes are still owed even when you are not working, basing claims on net income might undercompensate you. For self-employed individuals, net income is more appropriate because it reflects what they truly earn after expenses. Calculating lost wages can be tricky if your income varies seasonally or if you get bonuses irregularly. To prove your lost wages, you need to gather evidence like pay stubs, tax returns, employer letters, or business records. When filing a claim, your lawyer will collect this proof to show how much income you lost before and after your injury. The claim covers not only full days off but also partial days missed for medical appointments or missed opportunities. Courts and insurance companies decide whether gross or net income applies based on your job type and local laws. When net income is used, only legitimate business expenses are deducted, not personal living costs. In most cases, especially for employees, the calculation is based on gross income to fully restore your earning power. For self-employed workers, net income is used because it better reflects their actual earnings after expenses. This approach ensures you get fair compensation for the income you would have earned if not for the injury.